Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor, 1914. I am here to talk about investing. You guys already know what my channel is about. It's about e-commerce, investing, yada yada yada. But today's topic, what we're going to talk about is Apple dead? Did Apple die? What's going on? Like, what's going on with Apple? So what we're going to talk about, I got a short video. It's about 2 minutes long. We're going to just do some research on what's going on with Apple, CNBC, and then we're going to just talk about later on in the video what you should do. Should you sell all your shares of Apple? Should you give all your shares of Apple to me, your boy? Uh, are you even a Apple investor? Because I know a lot of people, if they are investing into the S&P 500 VU or VTI, the total stock market, the actual total index investment is actually up. The S&P 500 right now is up roughly 7.5, 8.5% right now. And so if you are let me just show you real quick. Right here, I'm hoping for it to not freeze anymore. Apple, there we go. There we go. So year to date, Apple is down 11%. Apple is down 11.32% at the beginning of the year. It was at roughly $192, and now it's down to roughly $170 per share. I'm going to later on show you where we're eyeballing Apple, and let's just say I'm down equivalent, not the full 11%, but I'm down more than 5%. So let's get into the video about Apple, shall we? Okay, so I'm just gonna stop right there. I just want to give you guys just a precursor of what's going on. What's going on is that in the marketplace, uh, everything is going up due to the AI boom. Semiconductors, AI boom. I've been making a lot of videos about how semiconductors is the new gold, the new oil, the new Bitcoin, right? In the market right now, you have Nvidia, AMD, and all of the semiconductor stocks that's just raising up the market due to just this whole AI speculations, AI robots, this and artificial intelligence that, and companies like Nvidia, AMD, Amazon, due to Amazon Web Services, Google, even Microsoft. They are taking advantage of, and also Broadcom, companies like that. They're taking advantage of the increase in their market share due to all this AI hype, right? Nvidia is making money, all time highs, and so because these stocks are in the S&P 500 into the total stock market, is raising the market, right? So if you own the index, you really don't care, right? But if you are a Apple shareholder like I am, uh, you are stuck on the sidelines. You're just trying to figure out like what's going on. You're trying to figure out because with them, these people that you see on the screen, what they're worried about, what we worry about as investors is that how is Apple's going to how Apple company, Apple stock, Apple shareholders, Tim Cook is going to incorporate AI into either their AOS systems, the phone, Mac, whatever, and then if they get eloquently express how they can link A to B, their products and their services and Apple to AI semiconductors, then if they can eloquently explain and break it down, then boom, the shares that we have will go up and there's no worry. But the reason why Apple is lagging the market is because the other companies they have vividly laid out the blueprint of how Google and Amazon and Microsoft with Azure. So basically, a lot of these companies have exposure to the what you call it, the cloud business. Amazon, Google, and so it's all AI. It's all AI based, right? And so when you think about Broadcom software, uh, AMD. But when you think about Apple, yes, they have Apple. iOS, but they're like, you're more so, hey, a phone company, et cetera, et cetera. How are you taking advantage of this AI boom? And so, until they are able to express that, and so what's the next step? Is Apple dead? Is Apple dead? What should you do? Listen, I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. I have currently 42 shares of Apple at a stock price of $183.42. It's at $170 right now. To me, it is a buy. To me, the way I look at it is that Apple's on sale. Just like how if you go to the grocery store, you see cookies, you see chips, see candy, whatever whatever you like. You like brownies, you like cookies, you like cupcakes, you like whatever is on sale. Apple, and no pun intended, like the fruit, Apple, the stock is on sale. So if you truly believe into buying stocks uh, while it's on sale, this is the moment to buy those on sale. If you don't believe in Apple, then I leave that up to you. But in my eyes, Apple is not dead. Apple is not in trouble. They are bringing in over $100 billion in cash flow per year, and they're bringing in so much money. They're trying to figure out like what to do with the money. Now, for me, I would love for Apple to uh, deliver and give us as shareholders more piece of the pie. Yes, they take a lot of their free cash flow and buy more of their the shares, right? Buyback, right? And so the shares that we have, it increased the value that we have, but at the same time, they only really increased their dividend roughly uh, roughly only like maybe 4 to 5% at a time, which is not a lot compared to the stock is has a dividend yield of, if I can get this computer to act right, it only has a dividend yield of 0.56% and an annual payout of 0.96%. So it's right there, 5.63%. If you have a dividend that's lower than 1% like that, you at least want something to increase this dividend at least 10%, like how Microsoft is doing. And so that's my frustration. I appreciate the buybacks. I appreciate the good cell phones and services, and I appreciate the good products like the AirPods and the everything that they do. I'm just saying, hey, I just would appreciate for them to give us more so on the dividend portion, because a payout of 14%. Come on, you can at least increase this payout to at least 20 to 22%, and increasing it to 20 to 22% would increase this dividend yield, the dividend growth rate from like increasing around 5 to 6 to around 8 to 10%. That's my only gripe. My only gripe with Apple. So Apple definitely is not dead. They're going to continue to make products. They are going to find a way to how to link the Apple products to the AI boom, and we're all going to be profitable in the end. So this is the time right now for you to double down, so that in 5 to 10 years, whatever money that you do invest in, if you believe in Apple, will double, will triple, and yeah. And so right now, I'm going to continue to buy. I'm going to buy $250 worth of Apple next week, and I believe in Apple. Apple's not dead. Peace.